Next on News Channel 3 at 5.
Simply wasn't lit at all in this area, and for 3 or 4 hours, this woman was beaten and abused and sexually assaulted and raped.
A former UC Santa Barbara student files a lawsuit alleging she was raped on campus 2 years ago. A look at what's physically changed since then. A Goleta-based company is helping residents in the Flint water crisis who may be suffering from lead poisoning. And a deadly stabbing and a shooting in Santa Maria are under investigation tonight. Find out what's being done to track down the people responsible. News Channel 3 at 5 starts right now.
Live, up and down the coast, from the beaches to the valleys. At 5, this is KEYT News Channel 3, where the news comes first.
It was a decades-long area maintained.
A woman who says she was raped 2 years ago on the UCSB campus files a lawsuit, and tonight we hear from her attorney. It's our top story at 5. Good evening, everybody. I'm CJ Wood.
And I'm Beth Farnsworth. Among those named in the lawsuit, the UC Board of Regents.
News Channel 3 broke the story on KEYT.com this afternoon. News Channel 3 senior reporter John Palmentary joins us live from Isla Vista. And John, issues have surfaced about the investigation.
And the attorneys for the victim tell me that they have found numerous issues that they say may have prevented this violent attack. And it's complicated by the ongoing search for suspects in this case and the search for information about how this could have all started on the streets of Isla Vista, then gone to a darkened area of the UC Santa Barbara campus without anyone intervening. A rape investigation on the UC Santa Barbara campus in February of 2014 centers around this now cleared out area at the UCSB track adjacent to Isla Vista. 2 years ago, this picture shows it was a different and much darker location. The female victim who came to UCSB in 2012 was reportedly taken directly here at night against her will by what's believed to be 3 suspects. She had been found walking alone nearby in Isla Vista.
It wasn't lit at all. It's not that it was dimly lit. It simply wasn't lit at all in this area. And for 3 or 4 hours, this woman was beaten and abused and sexually assaulted and raped without any fear by these perpetrators that they would be caught. There was clearly no patrol during that period of time because nobody heard her screams either.
The victim remains anonymous, but her attorneys have filed a complaint against the UC Regents for damages linked to personal injury, assault, battery, rape, kidnapping, emotional distress, and negligence. They say the area was known for crimes that had not been safe for a long time.
And in spite of the fact that there were multiple crimes here in this area and close by, including sexual assaults, is well known. It's nearly epidemic proportions on this campus and close by in Isla Vista. It was a decades-long area established and maintained by UCSB in a condition that would cause a predator to feel, as they clearly did in this case, no risk at all of being found under the cover of darkness.
After the attack, a flyer was widely distributed with images of possible suspects. The investigation, however, is also questioned.
Sheriff's Department or other law enforcement personnel that may have had more resources and a more immediate ability to find these perpetrators who have since seemed to evaporate, that was not a combined effort that was used.
UC Santa Barbara has been asked for information and a response to the legal action. For now, there's been no comment. A response is expected to be filed in court in 30 days. And some of those questions that we were asking were about the investigation, as much as they could tell us for now, and even questions about when the landscaping and lighting were changed to that area. And again, no comment even on those particular points. We'll know more as this goes through the court system. Reporting live outside of UC Santa Barbara this evening, John Palmentary, News Channel 3.
Okay, thank you, John. Students at Pioneer Valley High